Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in Mike Town in Manchester, heading towards Winston Jones Highway. So thank you all for joining the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So if you're just stopping by, you can hit the like button. I would appreciate it. So try to know from Mike Town to Winston Jones Highway, and I will take you right back into the town area that is in Mandeville. So on your right, you know, you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church of Mike Town. So I'm driving in the direction of southeast in Manchester. This is our beautiful island of Jamaica, Manchester. Yeah, a lot of persons only hear about these places, never get the chance to see it. But Fire Reid gonna take you all to some places you only heard about, in some rural areas. Yeah man, so when you drive on them road here, you have to look out for them heavy units here. Just have to be very careful, drive with care. On your left you have the primary early childhood school of Mike Town. So in the streets of Manchester, Jamaica. If I make a left turn, we'll take you right back to Winston Jones Highway, but I'm taking the next side. So I'm heading on to A2. So if I make a left turn, it will take you right about down to Greenvale roundabout. But I'm making a right turn, which all can take you to New Green roundabout. But I'm gonna take it on Wards Avenue. I'm gonna make a left turn. So on your left you have a tire shop. If you ever get puncture, you all can go to that tire shop. And also you have a complex on your right, a very nice complex. Beautiful Mandeville. Yeah, a lot of persons forget them road here. Wards Avenue. Everybody's supposed to heard about Brooks Park and also Mandeville Golf Club. your left you have the Sutherland Call Center. Yeah man, so we're very close to in Mandeville town area. But I'm not gonna fully take you inside of the town today. I will stop at the True Valley. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So where I'm at now, I'm at the True Valley. So this is where you can come and get your all house product, yeah, your tile, a lot of things you can get right here.